Hello everyone, today we will introduce the PCI calculation and export report functions under the Road Analysis module. The PCI function calculates PCI parameters based on 6 built-in types: rutting, cracks, corrugation, pothole, bump, and depression. Since PCI calculations are performed in blocks, you need to prepare a road line as the reference line for segmentation before computing. Typically, the road line is drawn in the middle of the road or directly using the lane line as the road line. You may adjust the drawing according to your needs. The road line layer can be any line layer, so you can use various line features from the map or draw using vector lines in the vector editor. Another essential element for PCI calculation is the damage region, which refers to the vector of damage regions extracted using the detect damage or damage editor functions. Ensure all damage regions are extracted and verified before calculating PCI. Click the PCI button to open a dialog box. Initially, the software prompts you in the 3D window's upper left corner to select road line and damage regions. Use the left mouse button to select the road line and damage regions you want to compute. Ensure you select the road line and damage regions to participate in the calculation. The PCI will be computed for each selected road line and its corresponding road block. Overselection of damage regions is acceptable. The algorithm will automatically filter out areas not within the road line's defined range. In the PCI parameters panel, you can adjust some settings. Pavement coefficient defines the pavement width and PCI calculation parameters for different pavement types. Built-in pavement types include bituminous pavement, concrete pavement, and sand-gravel pavement, with options for custom pavement. Choose the appropriate pavement type based on the actual situation. Left width defines the left side width of the road line, limiting the calculation range on the left. Right width defines the right side width of the road line, limiting the calculation range on the right. Adjusting these two parameters will change the length of the white road block in the window, as the standard definition requires the block area to be 225 square meters. Adjust based on actual road conditions. Damage weight is used to define the weight for different damage types corresponding to various severity levels. You may define this based on actual conditions, or use the default parameters. After clicking OK, the results will automatically load into the vector directory tree. The damage block layer stores the road block geometry, with attributes including the PCI value, PCI level, and area. The damage node layer stores the center point geometry of each damage block, aiding in locating specific blocks, with attributes including PCI and level information. Based on the computed results, you can use the Export Pavement Damage Report function to generate reports. The data management window allows exporting either a single or multiple analysis results or a comprehensive report of all results. Click the Export Report button to open a file save dialog, where you can set the report file name and save location. The exported report is stored in HTML format. The report consists of 3 main parts: header, table of contents, and specific content. The table of contents allows navigation to relevant sections. The specific content includes a summary of all damaged roads and detailed block information for each damaged road. The summary table includes all damaged roads, with each road's name, position, area, block number, average PCI, and PCI level. The detailed table for individual damaged roads includes each block's position, area, PCI value, and PCI level. That concludes the introduction to the PCI calculation and export report functions. Thank you for watching.